Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. On this edition, we're going to go over how to change your goals for your activity app. So go ahead and log into your watch. Go to your activity app. Before, you were able to just hold your finger on this area and it would pop up to change, but on the Apple Watch 7, and I don't know which other versions of the watch, it's all the way down at the bottom. So once you're in the activity, you see all the circles. If you go down to the bottom, it's right there, change goals. So you click on that, and then you can adjust your individual goals however you would like. And it's as easy as that. All done. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like and subscribe. More videos to come. Thank you. Have a good day.